Hey guys, Sean O'Brien here at Nichols Marine in Norman. Do you guys like Cadillacs? I love Cadillacs, guys. I have all Cadillacs bass boats here. This is a Vexus VXS 21. Guys, this is the reflex flooring. This is the whole package of all bass boats. Us bass fishermen dream and drool over. All right, we're in the back of this Vexus. This boat is equipped with a hard case gray paint. Here in the back, this puppy will purr. We got a 300 racing motor, Mercury Pro XS. Also equipped with two 8-foot Raptors, Minn Kotas. Here in this Vexus VXS 21, we got the air ride trekker seats. You know, you're just bouncing them. What can I say? Here at the console, one of the most important parts of a bass boat, we got the Garmin 16-inch SV. This sucker does it all. You can see a mile away. The fish just start popping up everywhere on this. This is a digital control start and stop system here on this Vexus. Also comes with a Fusion Bluetooth audio surround sound. Everything is digital in this boat, so you have a digital panel here at the console as well. What's really cool feature about these Vexuses is they come with a sliding hot foot, so it's fully adjustable to the height of whoever is driving the boat. Makes it super comfortable, super easy to drive. Another super cool feature is when you buy a Garmin from Vexus, Garmin makes their control panels and hard wires through the NEMA that you can do full access to the boat, full control. You know, you got your horns, nav lights, you can run your live wells, everything on this boat you can access through your front graph. Guys, in this Vexus VXS 21, I am 6'2" here. This is an 8-foot bow. I mean, you and your fishing partner, girlfriends, wives, or whoever, you can have a slumber party up here. Lots of space for fishing. Here at the bow, we're gonna be up all day long fishing. We have two stack mounts with the Garmin 12 SVs. This boat comes with a Garmin force trolling motor, 50-inch prop shaft. We also have the wireless, complete Bluetooth foot remote, so you can move this foot tray from anywhere in this boat and access the trolling motor. The Cadillacs of all Cadillacs, dreams of all dreams bass boat right here. So make sure you come by Nichols Marine in Norman at 1700 Ann Brandon Boulevard or visit nicholsmarine.com. And you know what? You might go bouncing in those trucker seats.